Here we have to calculate team workload summary using this project that will be array of object. It's have two property, team and task. Using this property value we have to get this kind of output. It's an object with team that will be key, and we have to calculate how many hours these members are like spent. So we have to calculate total hours, and we have to like calculate total workload, team workload summary. So let's explore like steps. What steps do we have to like do one by one? First step will be we can use this like team to like group by team. First step will be group by team. Then inside team we need only task, so we can store inside this group by team only this task that will be array. So that will be array of object. So we can like use only this object to store inside this array, inside this like group by team. For alpha we like combine this array and this array, and we store in one array this one, this one, this one object and this one object. So for object this one and this one we can store in one array at the time of we like do group by team, and it will do similar for this like. Then second step will be we have to again do like group by this member, because it's repeating. So we can do group by team, then we can do group by member. Then here we can do at the time of grouping we can also calculate that hours, these hours. So step 2 will be completed. Then done. I think we did some for 5 4, that will be 9, and 5 will be 3 plus 2 will be 5. So I think we don't have to compare here. We just have to do group by member then plus hour. So let's create one function, team workload summary. Pass the argument, that will be project, that our data. Let's calculate, let's code first step, group by name. How to group? Using reduce, we group initially object accumulator. What data we need? We don't need, I think we need team to like put the key here. So let's destructure here only team and tasks, that will be array of object, accumulator team, and if we have team then use this value inside accumulator. If we have team initially we don't find, so use this task. that will be array of object. And if we have in next iteration, if we have data for this alpha, then use previous this array of object that we added and spread here. And so here all the this object will be spreaded, and also we need to pass new data here that will be spreaded array. Let's return accumulator and let's console group by team. Group by team. I hope code is visible. Let me zoom, otherwise you can't see anything. So we have previous exercise data. You can see this exercise, previous exercise. Now do log this one exercise. We got error, accumulator team is not iterable. Accumulator team, yes, we have to destructure this because this is the object. Now let's see. We group by alpha, so we have two, like what we call two team, alpha and beta. Alpha have this much of array of object and beta have this much of array of object. Now we have to like group by this member and we have to calculate the sum of this. So we group all the array of object. Now second step will be group by member, const group by member. Let's use this keys to like again get that array of object. To access this array of object, let's use these keys. We can use object dot keys group by team dot reduce accumulator key is equal to, let's get that array of object using key. So now we get array of object every iteration. So first iteration we get this object, second iteration we get this object. Now let's do calculation or like do group by member plus like do our array of object accumulator. Here what we receive in every iteration, let's see what we receive. We receive member and hour. So let's destructure here members or member. What is a property? Member and hours. Accumulator member will be key. If there is value, otherwise take 0 and do +1 on that. Not +1, we don't have to count. Do plus hours on that. Return accumulator, then return here also that we like count group by member, that also written here as accumulator. If we log group by member, now we should get this output. Let's see. So we get similar output You can see Alice 9 Bob 5 beta beta Charlie 6 David 3. So we solve this in 10 minutes, and I think I consider as easy one also, because uh, this kind of pattern I already did so many exercise. We have to do like group by, then we have to do some. So if you have any question about this, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you.